Welcome to Indie by Popular Demand. My name's Shirley Jean. I'm an indie artist, and I'm going to share with you things I wish I had known when I first started. Today's Valentine's Day, so my advice is to spend time with your loved ones. Take some time off. I know it's easy to get lost in our ambitions, especially as independent artists, but if I could go back 10 years ago, I would spend a little less time recording and a little more time with relatives and friends. Turn that phone off, turn that computer off. I mean, those memes are gonna be there online forever and that email ain't going nowhere. We can never turn back the hands of time, so make sure to use that time wisely and create memories. Cherish those moments. Life is way too short. Now's a celebration of love. It's not only for romance, so use that time to be around people you love and care for. I want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a beautiful weekend. This was Indie by Popular Demand. My name's Shirley Jean, and I'll see you next time.